Here are 3 famous unique vocal effects that you should definitely try out in your next song. The Megaphone Effect used by Gorillaz. The deep vocal effect used in many EDM tracks. And this aggressive distorted effect. Getting unique vocal effects usually takes a massive chain of plugins, but today we are using VOXCRAFT, so you can hit these iconic styles in minutes. You can try it out completely for free, so you can follow along. Link below. Here's my first example, the Megaphone Effect used by Gorillaz. So you probably recognize this song. And I recorded my vocal without any effects.
Cities breaking down on a camel's back. They just have to go cause they don't know whack.
Sounds kind of funny, but let's add in the Megaphone Effect to make it sound like the original song. So let's open up VOXCRAFT, a brand new plugin by UJAM, and adjust the settings to get the Megaphone Effect on our vocal. So we have a really simple interface and a lot of these sections to dial in our vocal exactly how we want it. I'm gonna turn this on and I'm gonna increase unison. That's gonna add like a backing vocal into our vocal. So without it,
Cities breaking down.
with it,
Cities breaking down on a camel's back.
already quite interesting. But I don't want too much of this effect, so I'm gonna lower the voice mix, so there's just slight effect.
Cities breaking down on a camel's back.
Then I'm gonna enable the dynamics, and we're just gonna have a gentle compression, like so.
Cities breaking down on a camel's back.
But now, the main thing, the character, we're gonna enable this, and we're gonna go to radio. Increase this a little bit and change the tone.
Cities breaking down on a camel's back. They just have to go cause they don't know whack. Cities breaking down on a camel's back.
You can already hear the effect starting to take shape.
Cities breaking down on a camel's back.
We also want to enable the filter and do a high pass filter, adjust it a little bit.
Cities breaking down on a camel's back. They just have to go cause they don't know whack.
Let's also add reverb, just a basic plate reverb.
Cities breaking down on a camel's back.
And I'm already liking the effect, I just want to make it so it has a bit more pop. So I'm gonna use the super glue, which is gonna glue everything together with compression.
Cities breaking down on a camel's back.
Increase the focus EQ a little bit, so it's gonna make the high frequencies a bit more obvious.
Cities breaking down on a camel's back.
Also enable the auto level, and I think we are mostly there. Let's just adjust this a little bit more.
Cities breaking down on a camel's back.
Now we have the Megaphone Effect ready, so let's have a listen how it sounds in the whole song.
Cities breaking down on a camel's back. They just have to go cause they don't know whack. And all I wanna hear is the message beep. My dreams they got her kissing cause I don't get sleep.
Amazing, this is quite a unique effect, it definitely has its place. And I really love this plugin and the fact that you can create these effects in a really simple way because everything is laid out in one plugin. So again, if you want to check it out, link is below in the description. I did this effect from scratch, but you can also use the many presets that are already included in the plugin. Now let's take a look at our second example, which is completely different. We're gonna turn this dry female vocal
Baby, I'm all in. Nah, nah.
into the dark, deep vocal effect used by many EDM artists. So the song we are working with is this one. Now let me show you how we're gonna use VOXCRAFT to achieve the deep effect. Again, we are starting with a blank preset.
Baby, I'm all in.
And the first big difference is gonna happen right here. We're gonna enable this and we're gonna lower the formant. This is the main part of the effect. So lower the formant by about 8 semitones.
Baby, I'm all in. Nah, nah.
So it's still the same key, but the color of the vocal is very different. Let's also increase the unison, like this.
Baby, I'm all in.
So we have this double vocal almost. We're gonna enable character again, keep it at fuzz, so it's gonna be slight distortion.
Baby, I'm all in.
Nothing major here. Then enable the filter, we're gonna use high pass. So we're gonna sort of remove the low frequencies from this by decreasing this, increasing the reso, and adjusting the envelope.
Baby, I'm all in.
Let's add a delay, mono delay.
Baby, I'm all in.
And let's lower it all the way down. So the timing of the delay is kind of slow. So you can hear all these echoes, which is nice. We also got many different delay options as well. So of course the point of this plugin is to get everything you need for editing vocals in one plugin. So you can do very unique effects with this, but also more subtle effects to just make your vocal pop more in your mix. Let's also add plate reverb. And then to make this more bright, let's increase the focus EQ all the way up, which is quite a lot, but it will definitely make it better in the whole mix. I'm also gonna use a little bit of the super glue, so let me just show you how it sounds if you put it all the way up. So yeah, it basically glues everything together, making it sort of the same volume throughout. Sometimes you want that quite a lot. Here we're just gonna use a little bit of it. I'm also gonna enable the auto level and our effect is ready. So before,
Baby, I'm all in. Nah, nah.
and now. But let's hear it with the whole track. Now let's take a look at our final example, which is my favorite. I created this rap verse with this cool beat, I would say. The beat sounds like this. And then I've created this rap verse.
Yeah, never quitting, yeah, it's in my name, no pain, no gain, tiger blood in my veins, I make my own lanes, got money but no chains, all muscle and no brains, I'm flying with no planes. Yeah.
Very nice, I really enjoyed this flow, but now we're gonna distort it quite a bit. So we're gonna distort the main vocal a little bit, but then we're gonna crush these filler vocals quite a lot. So let's take a look at the main vocal first. So first we're gonna enable the dynamics. We're gonna do leveling, so the vocal is more leveled and compressed. Increase it quite a bit and increase the gate as well.
Yeah, never quitting, yeah, it's in my name, no.
Then enable character, and we're gonna go with saturate, so this vocal is more saturated. Increase the character, increase the tone.
Yeah, never quitting, yeah, it's in my name, no pain, no gain.
And right off the bat, you can hear it's a bit more crushed and bright. Let's also enable the filter. We're gonna do low pass, and we're just gonna do a little bit of it. So it's gonna remove the very high frequencies that are too harsh.
Yeah, never quitting, yeah, it's in my name, no pain, no gain. Yeah, never quitting, yeah, it's in my name, no pain, no gain.
So without it,
yeah, never quitting, yeah, it's in my name.
It's a bit too bright. With it,
yeah, never quitting, yeah, it's in my name, no pain, no gain.
Very nice. But let's also increase the focus EQ a little bit to get some brightness back.
Yeah, never quitting, yeah, it's in my name, no.
This is all I'm gonna do for the main vocal, which is kind of a subtle distorted effect. But for this filler vocal, for this ad-lib, we are gonna do the opposite of subtle. We are gonna crush this vocal quite a lot. So first, I'm gonna enable the voice and increase the unison.
Flying with no planes.
That's already giving it this backing vocal vibe. And this vocal is gonna be used in the end of these verses. We're gonna enable dynamics, go with gentle, and this is gonna be subtle. So just like so, some compression.
Flying with no planes.
Enable the character. We're gonna choose saturate again, but this time let's just go quite high with the character and with the tone of the character as well.
Flying with no planes.
So yeah, now it might sound kind of crazy, like what is this? But we're gonna make it work.
Flying with no planes.
So super crushed, but let's enable the filter as well, which is gonna dial it back again. We're gonna use bandpass, which lowers the highs and the lows and keeps the frequencies from the middle.
Flying with no planes.
But we wanna move the bandpass so we have more of those high frequencies. So let's move the filter a little bit higher, decrease this.
Flying with no planes.
Yeah, that's exactly the frequencies I wanna target.
Flying with no planes. Flying with no planes.
Yeah, I like it there. Let's also enable the delay, which is gonna help make this a backing vocal. We're gonna do stereo delay.
Flying with no planes.
We don't need to do much.
Flying with no planes. Flying with no planes.
Enable reverb. We're gonna choose whole, and we are not gonna do too much reverb.
Flying with no planes.
Just like so. Again, kind of subtle, but I do wanna make this vocal pop a little bit more, so I'm gonna increase the focus EQ quite a bit.
Flying with no planes.
So we have this hugely distorted vocal now. And what we want to do is sort of match the volume of the lead vocal to this vocal as well.
Muscle and no brains, I'm flying with no planes.
So you can hear this vocal is way more quiet. So I'm gonna increase the output a little bit.
Muscle and no brains, I'm flying with no planes.
So yeah, just like that, increase the output a little bit so we match these two vocals and they sound good one after another.
Muscle and no brains, I'm flying with no planes.
And there we have it. Now we have the distorted backing vocal ready to go. So let's have a listen to the whole track with the lead vocal and the distorted backing vocal. And again, if you want to check out VOXCRAFT yourself, you can try it out for free. Link is below in the description. Really cool plugin, and UJAM has a lot more plugins that you can check out as well. Now let's have a listen to this final example. Enjoy.
Never quitting, it is in my name. No pain, no gain. Tiger blood in my veins. I make my own lanes. Got money but no chains. On muscle and no brains. I'm flying with no planes. Never quitting, it is in my name. No pain, no gain. Tiger blood in my veins. I make my own lanes. Got money but no chains. On muscle and no brains. I'm flying